Another busy week in the shop. Let's check it out. Hey guys, keep on going on. We just kind of give you an update of what's been going on since the last visit. Steerman Alleron you saw standing up last time in the corner. That currently is all got the fabric on it. We've got the tapes on it. All of the rib stitching's done. The drain holes are on it, and that is getting ready to go in the booth for the polybrush spray and poly spray coatings and all that. The Satabri wings are coming up. Brought those off of the back rack. They're coming in as soon as this goes in the booth, which is about a 10-minute job. This is going back on. We've got to do some leak checks of the fuel tank. Just double check they're okay. Need some new fuel indicator lenses and gaskets. Then these guys will go pretty much get ready for final covers. They're very close, but they're coming back to front burner. Kind of ended up being back burner for a little bit because of rates and all that. That's long-term rates, and we had some other fast jobs coming in here. Give you an update of what's going on here. We'll spin around. Something you haven't seen in a while is the Faux Fighter project. We've got that front and center right now. We're going to be changing out, we're going to put this skin in. In fact, we're working on that. I'll walk over there and check that out. But that project is, we're going to actually get that one skin put in, and then that's moving down in the museum, and you're going to see some project progress on that, quite a bit of progress going on there. Down here you can see the skin getting replicated. We're in the process of replicating that. That's about 30% drilled, and then that will go to that'll get it riveted in, and then the fuselage will get transported. We're actually also going to, I'm walking across the hangar here, we're also going to be taking the firewall forward off, not just the engine, but actually firewall forward and baffles, engine mount, and all that stuff, and leave that here. That way we can focus on the airframe, get it done, stripped, and then while that's going on, we'll get this sorted and whatnot. So that's the thing happening there. Big hangar shuffled. Things are kind of in a bit of a mess, but it's actually it's quite a bit straightened and organized. So thanks to the crew for helping out on that. So that's cool stuff. Like I said, we're doing the work there. Other stuff going on. 182. We got the final parts coming in for the tail mod. So that'll be coming in. We're going to probably do a video series on that all by itself. So that's looking pretty good. Other stuff going on. Last time you saw the 170 project, we just had a few skins. Caitlin and her crew had just a few skins done. Right now the rear fuselage, in fact we'll go around the other side too. The rear fuselage is looking fabulous, and it's all going on. We are taking out one of the lower skins here is one of these lower skins here is buckled, so that's coming out, and then we'll probably have to pull the floor and also shoot some rivets in the gearbox area that's sheared. So we're getting those, making sure everything's set. But you can see fuselage is all done, all new fabricated skin here, and also brand new roof skin. So that's all basically the fuselage structurally finished from the B pillar aft. One skin down here, shouldn't be a big deal. We may end up actually changing out a few of the seat tracks. Some of those are looking a little bit long in the tooth, but anyway, we've got it supported on with our gantry and all that, so it's not going anywhere. So it's nailed down pretty good. Anyway, that's going on. A couple of other things. Got some parts stripped. Horizontal stabilizer stripped. There's some damage on it, but it's about at a 90% strip. We've just had some real terrific winds, so it's been pretty terrible that way. But it's about ready. We need to do maybe one more session and scrub the hell out of that. Get the old. It's like a catalyzed enamel. It's actually a concept PPG product, but the primer on it appears to be an automotive. It's just not stripping very nicely. Chief is flying. We're flying the heck out of the Chief again. If anyone's looking for a 65 horse Chief, let us know. Great little airplane. We're flying the heck out of it, but we need to migrate that to a all electric airplane for my son. So that'll be a thing. Like I said, 172 Faux Fighter project is going on. My Cub wings in the back, still in the back. Nothing much really going on that project right now. When we've got the Satabria wings to clear out, then we've got two 120 wings that are going to be done. Then my other Cub wing will go into the booth. So it's Tailline Charlie on that, and then we'll get back probably on the Cub project. Then in the meantime, we've been massing parts for the for the Pete and Paul project. Again, this is kind of a fun project, but it's also Tail End Charlie. But we're starting to get everything together and all that, and we're getting that going. Once the 170B comes out of the corner, then we're going to be setting up a dock, and that will be for the L2 Telecraft L2 project. So that'll be kind of cool thing. Warbird, a little bit of Warbird, a little bit of little airplane, and that'll be a fun project. So that's going on there. I'm trying to think what other stuff. Just a lot of rearranging in the shop. Again, thanks to the crew for doing all that. So we've got just tons and tons of stuff. We got some shelves lined up, things organized, so it's really good. But anyway, that's just a quick look at the shop, what's going on this week at Vintage Aircraft Services. Catch you later.